Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to install fonts in a Windows 11 operating system. First of all, just go to the start and just type control panel and click on the control panel. In control panel, we find fonts. Here is the fonts. Just click on the fonts. And here we find all fonts that are installed on your Windows 11 or Windows operating system. Okay, all fonts that are installed on your Windows 11 operating system. Now we want to install it or add it, but there is no option. But there is simple way. Just go to the fonts. There you store your font or download your fonts, and just select all font that's contain .ttf extension. .ttf extension are only allowed extension for these Windows 11 fonts. Okay, now right click on show more options, just select the fonts and just go to the copy. Okay, or control C. Now just go to the control panel fonts, select any font and just paste control V on your keyboard. Just type control V on your keyboard. Okay, control V on keyboard. Okay, now it is install your all fonts. Okay, if you want to uninstall any font, then just select that font. Now just go to the here and delete this font. If you want to delete any font, just go to the select your font and delete it from here. Okay, and if you want to test this font, so I want to test this font, so I just go to the here, I open the Word document and I just select this font and I just go to the install font. Okay, here is our install font. Okay, this font is installed by me recently. Okay, so guys, this is the simplest way to install fonts in a Windows 11 operating system. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.